How to check in online on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can check in online on Rex Airlines. Now, I must let you know that Rex Airlines has made things easy. Okay, so you don't have to struggle around the website before you can get what you want. So how do you check in? It's simple. On the home page, scroll down to the section where you can see questions. You can see tabs such as book flights, manage bookings, web check-in. To just select that. So by selecting web check-in, you'll be taken to the web check-in page and you can see the prompt which says skip the busy airport, check in for your flight now. So next step would be for you to enter in your booking reference, the page here in the slated box here, then enter in your last name and then click on retrieve booking. By clicking on retrieve booking, you will then be taken to the page where you can now check in, select the flights that you'd like to check in for. All right, and after selecting the flight, on the flight page you'll see the option check in. Click on that, and then you must know that web check-in opens 48 hours and closes 1 hour prior to the scheduled departure time. So just ensure you do that and you are good to go. And one thing you must notice is that on Rex Airlines you can actually select seats by booking in. So you can see how cool that is, right? You can also select your preferred seat during the booking in process. During the check-in process. But the disadvantage is that the seats you want might have been taken by then. So it is always best for you to select your preferred seat during the booking process. But if you've not done that, you can also select your preferred seat during the check-in process. And then your boarding pass will be emailed to you and you can download a digital boarding pass to your mobile device and you're good to go. So this is it. All right, thank you for watching and have a good day.